This is Sphero Bolt, a kid-friendly robot that is easy to learn. This robot can be coded using two different Sphero apps. The first one is Sphero EDU, and the second one is Sphero Play. And for this tutorial, we will be using Sphero EDU. Before you use your Sphero, you're going to want to charge it. It comes with a charging puck that you set your robot on. It takes about 6 hours, and then you're ready to get started. In order to use Sphero, you will need to connect. Up in the top right, there is an option to connect. Whatever robot is nearest to the iPad or device will be the one that shows up at top. Select that one, and your robot will connect. Now we are connected. Before we can do any programs, we need to aim our robot. Because our robot is a sphere, there is no designated front or back, so aiming decides this. You can do this in the bottom left of the home screen where you see Drive. Clicking that option will give you a manual controller of your robot, selecting a speed, and changing the color of the display on the LED screen. To aim, you'll want to click this aim button in the bottom left. This will bring a blue light onto your robot. By moving this little dial, you can move the light towards you. That means it is aimed. To start programming your robot, hit the program option on the left-hand side. This will bring up the program screen. In order to create a new program, click the bottom right plus button. This brings up your option for your robot, which we have selected as Bolt, and the 3 program types, Draw, Blocks, and Text. Right now, we will discover Draw. Hit Create. This will bring up a grid-like pattern. You can draw any kinds of shapes on here, and Sphero will run that exact track. Let's watch Sphero run this track. Hit Start. Sphero can also be coded using blocks. Hit Create. This page starts with On Start Program. All of the options for block codes are at the bottom. There's movements, lights, sounds, controls, operators, comparators, sensors, communications, and events. Most times, students will be using movements. For example, if you use this block code, you can see that it has rolling at a certain angle, which will move it in a certain direction, at a certain speed that the student can choose, and a time. When Sphero runs this code, you will notice that it gives live sensor data. A unique feature about Bolt is its ability to give data with its advanced sensors. Once you've stopped a code that's been run, you can select the 3 dots in the top right corner and select Sensor Data. This will bring up location, orientation, gyroscope, accelerometer, velocity, and distance. All of this data can be used in future lessons. Advanced students can use text coding. You may be asking, what happens if me or my students don't know how to code? Well, on the home screen of the Sphero EDU app, there are plenty of tutorials of how to make different codes. They're very easy to follow and will help you set up future lessons. Sphero Bolt benefits students by giving them an opportunity to practice and use different types of code, learn all about trial and success, foster a love for coding and technology, and it allows them to take ownership of their learning through STEAM activities. Have fun coding with Sphero.